Earning money as a teenager can seem like an uphill battle, but teenagers need money too. You need to spend your own money buying clothes, gadgets, hanging out with friends, and maybe looking cool. If you are a teenager and looking for ways to make money from home, you've clicked the right video. In this video, I will show you some opportunities for teens of all ages. Our first website is called surveysurvey.com. You can make money by doing a survey with this website. They will pay you to do surveys. Companies are looking for consumer opinions from people like you. Survey Savvy has directly connected you with those companies and pays cash to share your views. After you join and complete your member profile, they use the information to target various demographic groups according to criteria established by their clients. When your profile matches the essential criteria for a specific survey, they will invite you via email to participate. If you pass the in-depth screening portion of the survey and complete the body of the survey, they will credit your account the amount mentioned in the invitation. Once you have accumulated more than $1 in incentives, you can request payment by using the Request Payment tool under the Account section once you logged in. The more surveys you take, the more money you earn, because obviously you're gonna get paid for every survey. You only need to be 13 years or more to join this website. You can start actually taking surveys on here and getting paid for them if you're a teenager. They're gonna pay you around anywhere between 75 cents up to $3 for a single survey. So if you do a few of these per day, that's gonna be a nice little bit of extra income for you. They're very easy. You just answer some questions, and that's basically pretty much all you have to do. So to sign up, all you have to do is click this button at the top here. After that, you can do the normal sign-up process as you usually would. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell. If you don't want to miss our upcoming videos,